Hi everyone, I'm Cindy, the product manager of Chenbro. I'm here to introduce you to our high-performance storage server chassis solution. In the era of big data, data storage and management are crucial. Whether it's business, organizations, or individuals, everyone is facing the need to store massive amounts of data. Traditional storage methods can no longer meet the growing demand for data. So high performance, high density, and high elasticity storage server chassis have become a must-have choice. Chenbro Tri-Load series storage server feature an innovative tray-based storage design. 3 hardy cages are designed within the 4U space, providing high-density storage for up to 48 hard drive trays. RM43748 can accommodate 24 3.5-inch hard drives on the side and 24 2.5-inch hard drives on the front, providing a massive storage capacity for data centers. RM43848 can accommodate 36 3.5 hard drives on the side and 12 3.5 hard drives on the front. The mixed storage space balances performance and cost, meeting the access requirement for different types of data. In addition, Chenbro's Tri-Load series features a unique patented airflow design that allows cold air from the air intake to exchange heat with the hard drives, maintaining excellent performance even in high-density environment. Meanwhile, with its reinforced mid-layer structure, the 4U chassis can be fully pulled out of the rack for maintenance. The toolless design allows all hard drives to be replaced quickly and easily from the front and side. RM43748 and RM43848 are both 4U high-density tri-load server chassis that support massive data storage and high-performance computing applications. They are compatible with micro ATX, ATX, eATX, and T-shaped motherboards and offer excellent expandability. In addition, RM43748 supports 8 NVMe SSDs, and hybrid storage provides high-performance data tiering for hot and cold data. To learn more about Chenbro storage server, please contact your local sales representative or visit Chenbro website.